Okay, hi kids, let's look at a quick recap of strings that we did last time. Now using Visual Studio Code, and we can now save our work rather than just working with that interactive shell, or we call a REPL. So for now, you can hover over the folder that you opened in the previous session, and you can click on new file. Okay, so new file here, just say hello.py. so Python files, you save them with .py. okay, and there you go. Okay, I think at some point we also talked about comments in Python, so you can start with a comment. Always start with a hashtag and write the comment, so you can just something like a recap of strings. Okay, and then remember that we can have like my name is James. Okay, and then my age is 18, and then I can have something like print. See, this time we're not executing every line as we go. We are writing first our code, and then we'll execute later on, and that is usually how everything works. So I can say like, hello, my name is, okay, plus is space plus name, comma, and I am plus age years old. Okay, plus space years old. One thing to note also is that this time you can see when you write a function like print and you open a bracket, it closes the brackets for you, and then it waits for you to put the stuff inside here. And then also if you open a double quotes, it closes and then it waits for you to type. So really good stuff, as opposed to always remembering to close. So this is what comes with these tools. They're like, they come as helpers. And even we haven't gone to the more like advanced one. You can add extensions to make it even much better. But for now, we just want to work with what you call a vanilla version. So that is there's this. So after you create the file and you've typed the program, you can just go to file save. But also another thing, you can get used to using shortcuts. So Control S, Control plus S is for saving, or you can go to file save. Okay, but Control plus S is much easier because you'll always be saving files here and there. So that is it. How about running it? So running it, I'll go to on the top right, just on the lower pane, you will see something like a play button. Click on that. That is run. If you have Python installed, you should be able to see the program run, the program output down here. So as I said, if you get this like some access violation errors from me here, don't worry about them. There's a way we can fix them, but I don't want to go into the details of that. But the program will run on this lower pane. Okay, and for now you can see already I have an error. You remember this? I think if I was at a live class, I'll have asked you to tell me how I fixed this. We saw that in the previous session. Okay, you cannot add strings. This is an integer. Remember that an integer and this is a string. You cannot add a string and an integer together. You have to make one to be another. So the age is the one that is supposed to be a string now. And how do you convert to a string? You use str function, just like that, and then you save. Okay, now let's run. You can say down here now, hello, my name is James and I am 18 years old. Okay, so that is it.